In this video, I'm going to try and photograph birds in the coldest season of the year, winter. You will follow me through the entire process, from heading out into the forest to editing the photos and finally seeing the result. Let's see what winter gives us. Hello everyone, we are back out in nature again. I have actually never managed to capture wildlife in winter before, and I have never been out in a condition like this when it's snowing so much and windy. So yeah, this is going to be very interesting for me. Sitting on that tree up there. So the nuthatch is sitting there, so let's try and go to the left, so we have a nice background to the right. We can try and get even closer. Okay, like this. Looks like my camera can survive this weather. I hope so. Oh no, look how much snow we have in the lens hood. Yeah, that's not how I want it to be. We're having another chance of a nuthatch, so I'm going to walk behind this tree, and as you can see there, the tree, and I'm going to go behind this tree, so hopefully the bird doesn't see me. You know, I think you understand the rest. Right at the end, the nuthatch does something really smart. It wedges the nut into a crack in the tree so it can peek at it without it falling away. It's a small detail, but it says a lot about how the forest works. And this moment actually turned out to be something really special. So let's head inside and start editing photos. Okay, we're now ready to editing some photos. So let's begin. But first, I think I have forgot something. Oh! So if you are watching this video in Christmas, I should say Merry Christmas and Happy New Year also. I hope you're doing very well. So I've chosen this one as the first image. Okay, so the first thing, of course, crop the image. The first time I saw this photo, I wanted to have it vertical, like this. So this is a very close-up portrait of a knot hatch. So I'm very happy with that. Before I get into the masking, I quickly set up the basics, adjusting colors, sharpening, reducing noise, and just getting everything ready for the real work. The first mask is a radial gradient as a light source to brighten up the scene. Then I mask the bird and the tree to bring out the details. And finally, some radial gradient lines to darken down the edges. And I think that this is a good start. You can see here the before and after. And now I'm going to do dodge and burn, and you're not going to see that part because it's pretty boring. So yeah, enjoy. And now comes the final touches, shadows and highlights. Brighten up the areas I want and darken down the areas I want. Then a few small tweaks to, for example, color and other details. And this is the final image. Enjoy. Okay, so I think I am finished with the first edit, and I'm really happy about it. Okay, so now just to change it, I want to do a horizontal photo this time. I like how the branches frame the subject in this one. So let's begin. Think that is good enough. The second image gets the same base treatment. Sharpening, light, color and a soft vignette. Just to set a good foundation before the fine work begins. This is the new version. So before, when it was unedited, it looked like this, and now it looks like that. And maybe some people would say that it's finished, and that's totally fine. It depends on what style you are looking after. This is the part I enjoy the most. Shaping the light through different masks, playing with the colors and slowly turning it into the image I had in mind. Okay, so I am now finished with these two photos, and I think that for me this very close-up portrait one, that is my favorite. So here you can see them side by side. Let me know which one you like the most. So thank you for watching this video, and have a good Christmas, Happy New Year, and I see you in the next video. Bye.